Hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. And today, we're going to be making a Colorado quarter into a size 8 coin ring. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it. Nice Colorado mountain center punch. I do have these quarter coin rings available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. If you guys want to check those out, they're linked down here. If you have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you're enjoying the live, tap the screen a couple times. Next thing we got to do is clean up that inside cut edge. So we're going to take our deburring tool and just cut that sharpness away, make it nice and smooth. If you want to get yourself one of these, it's super simple. Just pick your state and size. If you need a half or quarter size, please leave a note when you place your order. And if you have any questions, put them in the chat. We're going to smooth that inside a little bit with some steel wool. Go on, guys, don't be shy. Tap that screen. Ask any questions if you have them. If you're looking for a specific type of coin ring, let me know. I'll help you track it down. Work on a lot of different types of coins. So, now that we've got our coin punched and smoothed, we're going to take it over to the 1-ton arbor press and start folding. Perfect. Again, if you'd like to get one of these, tap the little shopping bag down here. They are available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. And I try to keep as much of the original coin detail on the ring itself. So on the inside here, it'll say United States of America, $quarter. I'll have the year it was minted on the back, and your state of choice on the front. And each state quarter has its own little design. I think they all look pretty cool as rings. Make nice gifts. So yeah, if you'd like to get one, tap that little shopping bag. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Now we're going to hop over here and stretch it out just a little bit. That should be just fine. This one's going to be a size 8, so we're going to jump right from stretching it down to reducing it and making it nice and tiny. looking pretty good. Now when you do make a coin into a ring, there's typically a lip on the inside right here, that little raised piece of metal. Next step is going to be removing that. And I actually made my own fancy little tool to help me do that. It's called the Deburring Buddy. If you'd like to get one of these, just Google Deburring Buddy. They're pretty handy. And pretty much you can just pop your quarter coin ring right in there and debur your hearts out. It's pretty great. Quarter coin rings fit in there just perfectly. Again, if anyone has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you'd like to get a quarter coin ring, I've got them in copper and 90% silver. Tap a little thing down here, pick your size and state, and I'll get to work on it for you. What am I doing? I'm deburring the inside lip on the ring. Typically quarters have this kind of raised lip on the outside edge, and that can throw off the sizing, and it's not very comfortable. So we're just slowly removing that with a deburring tool. Yeah. For sure. If you have any other questions, let me know. For anyone who's just joined in, this is a Colorado quarter that we've made it into a ring. Well, almost. Not quite done yet. Well, hey man, if you haven't got one of these yet, they're really helpful. Deburring Buddy, I got them on my site. I recommend you try it out. It's pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. I'm glad I can be helpful. All right, I think we got it. Yeah, dude, and it holds quarter coin rings from size 4 all the way up to size 10, and like when you actually put the quarter coin ring in here, you don't even have to like squeeze it to get it to hold. Like you can put a little pressure on it, but for the most part, this tool just is made perfect for these, so they don't move around. I really, really like it. It's comfortable to use. I don't know. I spent a lot of time designing it, so I'm pretty proud of it. I'm going to start work on the $50 version here pretty soon. And I've got them in a bunch of different colors too. So yeah, just take a screenshot of that, Google Deburring Buddy later today, and you should be able to find it. It's a pretty great little tool. But yeah, I went through probably like 25 different iterations of it. Yeah, this was a quarter. I can this was a Colorado quarter. And if we put them side by side, you can kind of see the coin details coming through there. Pretty cool. And I've got them in all 50 states. If anybody wants one, tap a little shopping bag down here. Got them in copper and 90% silver. Very comfortable, very attractive rings. If you don't believe me, go read the reviews. I've got a good amount of positive reviews down there. Go take a look. Thanks for following, Matt. If anybody else wants to, hit that follow button. Now's the time to do it. Thank you for not making my 1970 what is it, ring, but also the Pennsylvania one you sent as a gift. Absolutely. Yeah, I saw your note that you wanted a 1970 Pennsylvania ring, and I was like, I can't do that, but I'll send one of each just to cover the bases. So yeah, absolutely. If you haven't yet, make sure to leave a review. That helps more than you know. But other than that, just, wear the rings with pride and show them off. Tell people where you got them. Oh, that's perfect. Happy birthday. Alright, let's see. This one's supposed to be a size 8. It's a size 7. I made it too small? Wow. I never do that. Well, I appreciate that, man. I got a lot of pride in my work, so I'm glad that that effort shows through. Oh yeah, the Don't Tread on Me, that's still my favorite design. It's a good one. Almost. There we go. Size 8, baby. Colorado quarter coin ring. Let's get a nice polish up before I send it out. But pretty handsome little ring, I'd say. If anybody else wants to get one, tap a little shopping bag at the bottom of the screen. you have any questions, let me know. Well, I'm glad you like it, man. Pretty. Very nice. Alright guys, I'm going to take a short break. I'll hop back on here in probably about 10 minutes. If you haven't yet, hit the follow button so you can catch me next time I go live. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll catch you next time. Peace.